This video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the ransomware that is called Tor. It is from the Paradise ransomware family. This particular ransomware is able to essentially damage the files that people store on their hard drives. Before the ransomware attack, of course, there are no problems opening any file types, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office, documentation, and other data. Unfortunately, certain threats like ransomware currently circulate all over the cyber world, and they may infect the system and essentially damage the files. Pretty soon, customers realize that they cannot open their files anymore. The ransomware adds this special Tor extension to the files, so when they try to open the files, they get this warning that Windows can't open this type of file. The ransomware tells its victims to pay this special ransom for file restoration. However, paying the ransom does not guarantee that the files will be restored. And in fact, we strongly urge you not to pay the ransom, because in this case, you may simply lose your money for nothing. What you could do, first of all, is go to the task manager, then look for suspicious processes running in the background, and if you find them, terminate them. Also, we recommend you to immediately remove this ransomware with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus. To download it, you need to go to the Internet Explorer browser. So go to the website combocleaner.com, download the software called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Use the special green button to download Combo Cleaner Antivirus and anti-ransomware. After the program is successfully downloaded and installed, click on Start Scan button. The program will begin researching and investigating your system. The program is initially in the trial mode. Its premium version has got the excellent anti-ransomware tool that allows you to add one or several folders on your computer that will always be protected against ransomware attacks in the future. So you need to wait until Combo Cleaner Antivirus completes the scanning, and at the end of the scan you will see the summary of all threats that were found on your computer. So as you can now clearly see, one threat was found so far. There may be more threats in your particular case. Combo Cleaner gives the detailed report about the locations of threats at the end of scan. Even though you may go to these locations and remove these threats manually, we strongly advise upgrading to the premium license in order to eliminate these threats and other infections automatically from your system. And with premium license, remember that all your files will always be protected.